Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So previous video lo units and dimensions lo main 5 problems గురించి తెలుసుకున్నాం. The next video lo so errors means in our daily life we can take number of readings. So each and every measured value has some false value. So this false value is nothing but error. So what is the statement of error? The amount of uncertainty in the measurement of physical quantity is called error. So mainly errors is two types, systematic errors and random errors. What is the systematic errors? The systematic errors are those tends to one direction, either positive or negative. Suppose for example, the error in the first reading is plus 0.1 and the error in the second reading is also plus 0.1 and the third reading is also plus 0.1. That means each and every measured value has same sign and same magnitude. Those type of errors are called systematic errors. For example, screw gauge. The zero error in the screw gauge is plus 5 or minus 5. So that is the first one. And second one, random errors. So the errors those tends to irregularly and randomly occurring. Those type of errors are called random errors. Changes either magnitude or direction. Suppose for example, suddenly atmospheric changes or input voltage fluxes occurring. That's error in the first reading is plus 0.5 and error in the second reading is minus 0.2 and error in the third reading is again plus 0.3. That means each and every measured value is the changes either magnitude or direction. The type of errors are called random errors. Again, systematic errors are three types. The first one, instrumental error, imperfection in experimental technique. Third one, personal error. What is the example of instrumental error? Error in the screw gauge. Imperfection in experimental technique. That means suppose to measure the temperature of any thermometer, this thermometer is placed on under armpit. So actually it shows less value that real value compared to the real value. So next third one, personal error. Personal error means human habitual. Generally, our head is either bending either left side or right side. So this is called personal error. Some drawbacks are there in our readings. That is called personal error. Now, the least count. The smallest value can be measured by using that instrument is called least count. For example, ordinary scale. So by using ordinary scale, what is the minimum value can be measured? That means 1 mm. So less than 1 mm, the ordinary scale is not sufficient. So we can take another scale that is called Vernier calipers. So by using Vernier calipers, the least count is 0.1 mm. Suppose for example, less than 0.1 mm value required, it is also not sufficient. So we can take another instrument that is called screw gauge. By using screw gauge, the least value is 0.01 mm. Okay, next మనం types of errors గురించి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ types of errors గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. Types of errors. First one, mean value. Suppose we will take number of measurements. So what is its mean value? That means an arithmetic mean of all the values is called mean value. The first reading A1, A2, A3, A4, so on, AN by N. That means is simply A mean equals to sigma I equals to 1 to N, AI by N. Or simply this is the A mean. The second one is absolute error. The magnitude of difference between individual measurement and true value is called absolute error. That means delta A1 means absolute error in the first reading. A mean minus A1. Delta A2, A mean minus A2. So on delta A3, A mean minus A3. So on delta A mean minus A3. So on delta AN is equals to A mean minus AN. The next third, mean absolute error. An arithmetic mean of absolute error is called mean absolute error. ఏవైతే మనం absolute errors తీసుకున్నామో ఆ absolute error తర్వాత mean కట్టినట్లయితే mean absolute error వస్తుంది. So delta A mean is equals to delta A1 plus delta A2 plus delta A3 plus so on delta AN by N. Fourth one, relative error. Relative means comparison. సో దేని కంపేర్ చేస్తామంటే ద రేషియో ఆఫ్ మీన్ అబ్జల్యూట్ ఎర్రర్ టు ద మీన్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ రిలేటివ్ ఎర్రర్. Therefore, delta A mean by A mean. The last one, percentage error. The relative error multiplied with 100 is called percentage error. That is delta A mean by A mean into 100. పాస్ చేసి నోట్ చేసుకోండి. సో మీకు ఈ వీడియోలో ఏవైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కమెంట్ చేయండి. సో లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.